Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again with another Python tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how can we create class and then instantiate them. Okay, and the class and instance are the most fundamental concept of OOP. So what is OOP? OOP means object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. Okay, so why we need OOP in our real world scenario? Suppose okay, let's have an example to understand this. Suppose we have a IT firm. Okay, in our IT firm there are three departments. First one is like our developer department, and the second one is like our app designer department, and the third one is like our marketing analyst department. Okay, analyst department. So the app designer department has nothing to do with our marketing analyst department, and the marketing analyst department has nothing to do with our developer department. So we need to distinguish from one from another. Okay, so in this type of scenario we need OOP concepts. Okay, in OOP concept the most fundamental things we can call is class and instance. So in this video I will show you how to create class and then instantiate them. Okay, in Python there is a keyword called class. Okay, and then we will create our class like for developer. Okay, here let's see that I just started the class name with capital letter. This is a convention. Okay, this is just a convention, and then for now we just pass this, and we will create a object, create a variable which is like d1 for developer1, and and instantiate this developer class. Okay, this developer class. Now our developer must have a name and their age and salary and the position. Okay, name, first one name, then age, then salary, and the position. Okay, position. So we'll create a init function. Okay, by define underscore init underscore. Okay, this init method, this is called d under method underscore. This is called d under method. Okay, this is called d under method. In this init method we have to pass sales. We'll talk about this in few minutes. Sales, then we'll pass our attributes of our developers. Okay, our developer should also should have a name and age and their position, if he is senior or the junior developer, and has a salary. Okay, then we'll have to just write self dot name equals name, and self dot age equal age, then self dot position equals position, then self dot salary equals salary. Okay, so I have done these things for first time. You can call it like this. Why we need to use them? We all know that classes are the blueprints. Okay, so we have this developer instantiated in our d1 variable. So if we pass this name, age, position, salary attribute on our parameter on our developer instance, then it will just mark our blueprint's name as self name as the attributes name, position will be the position, and salary will be the salary. Okay, now if we, oh, another thing, this is, and they are called as instance attribute, they are called instance attribute, instance attribute. So if we run this, we have an error pop up. This is called type error. Okay, this init method missing 4 require positional arguments. First one, name, age, position, and salary. This is because we didn't pass any parameters in our developer instance. Okay, now if we pass this, like we have to, oh, another thing, we have to pass just the name, age, position, and salary, not the self. This is a default parameter, okay, of our developer class. Then our developer name will be Joe, and there her or him age will be like 24, and he is like a junior developer in our IT firm, and the salary will be like not $2,500. Okay, now if we just print d1 dot name, okay, it will shows us the name of our developer. Okay, the name of our developer, which is Joe. And again we will create another developer instance, like, and this is called d2, and his or her name will be like Biden, and his age will be like 27, and he is a senior developer. Okay, so senior developer, his salary will be like $3,500. Okay, now if we want to print the d2, our developer2 name, then it will shows us Biden. Okay, oh, let's comment out this and then run again. Okay, it shows us Biden. Okay, our developer second developer name was or is Biden. Okay, so here we see how to create class and how to instantiate them. Another thing, they are instance attribute. We also can create our class attribute. Okay, as they are our developer or the employee of our IT firm, we just create a employee variable, which is just to show us is this developer our employee or not. Okay, we'll just there pass yes. Okay, now if we just now our developer class, call our developer class dot employee. Okay, it will shows us yes. Okay, now if we want to write this d1 dot employee, then it will also shows us the output. This is called class instance. Okay, they are like class attribute. So the class attribute is accessible by globally, but the instance attribute doesn't accessible by globally. Let's see an example, like print. If we want to print our developer dot name, okay, developer dot name, it will show throws us an error. Okay, this will be attribute error, that developer has no attribute name, so we can't access our instance attribute from our class. Okay, so these are the most fundamental things I showed you, how to create class and what is class attribute and instance attribute and how to instantiate them. So I think this video will help you a lot If you like this video or enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and later on I will show you how to define custom function in our class, and also how to inherit it class in our child class. Okay, how to inherit parent class in child classes.